Brihadishwar Temple. Brihadishwar Temple Introduction. Brihadishwar Temple is a Hindu temple dedicated to Shiva in Gangaikond Cholpuram, completed in 1035 AD by Rajendra Chol I as a part of his new capital. This Chol dynasty era temple is similar in design and has a similar name as the older 11th century Brihadishwar Temple about 70 kilometers to the southwest in Tanjore. The Gangaikond Cholpuram temple is smaller yet more refined than the Tanjore temple. Because of this, it is often said to be the feminine counterpart of the Tanjore temple. Both are among the largest temples in South India and fine examples of Dravidian style architecture. The temple is also referred to in text as Gangaikond Cholpuram temple or Gangaikond Cholishwaram temple. The temple was constructed in 1035 AD by Rajendra Chol I, the son of the famous Chol king Rajaraj Chol I, who built the Brihadishwar temple at Tanjore. There is some confusion regarding when the temple was constructed. Some experts say that it was built during 1020 during Rajendra Chol's 6th regnal year, but there are inscriptions which refer to the 20th regnal year around 1035 AD. The temple is Rajendra Chol's effort to emulate his father and built an everlasting monument to commemorate his victories. He demanded that the kingdoms he defeated send pots of Ganga's river water and pour them into the temple's well. The well was originally called Chol Gannagam as it was filled with water from Gangas. It is believed that Rajendra I employed the same craftsmen used by his father and transferred them from Tanjore to work on the temple. Many of the Chol kings after Rajendra I had their coronation at Gangaikond Cholpuram. This adds another layer of importance to this location. The old city of Gangaikond Cholpuram, the capital of a powerful Asian empire for over 2 centuries, was completely destroyed along with other major Chol-era Hindu temples. This was due to the constant battles between the Hindu kings and the Muslim sultans. One such sultanate that was majorly responsible for the destruction of Gangaikond Cholpuram was the Madurai Sultanate. The Vijayanagar Empire defeated the Madurai Sultanate in 1378 and Brihadishwar Temple then returned to the control of Hindu kings who repaired and restored most of it. This temple is the only great relic from the past that still stands tall amidst the desolation that was endured. To keep that spark from the past alive, the Gangaikond Cholpuram temple still remains active in its functioning. The temple follows worship practices similar to those at the other Shiva temples in Tamil Nadu. The Shaiv tradition is adhered to and the temple priests perform the puja during festivals and daily basis. The temple rituals are performed 4 times a day: Kala Sandhi at 8:30 am, Uchi Kalam at 12:30 pm, Saya Rakshasai at 6 pm and Arth Jamam between 7:30 to 8 pm. Each ritual has 3 steps: Alankaram or decoration, Naivethanam or food offering, and Deeparadhane or waving of lamps. There are also weekly, monthly and fortnightly rituals performed. The temple is open from 6 am to 12:30 pm and 4 pm to 9 pm every day. There are many festivals in the temple calendar such as the Shivratri during the Tamil month of Masi, which is from February to March, Ayappasi Purnami during Ayappasi from October to November, and Thiruvatari during Margadi from December to January being the most prominent. Annabhishekam, which refers to the ablution of the presiding deity with cooked rice, is performed during Ayappasi festival. Brihadishwar temple is one of the most visited tourist attractions in Tamil Nadu. The Archaeological Survey of India administers the temple as a protected heritage monument. UNESCO declared it a World Heritage Site in 2004, along with the Brihadishwar temple at Tanjore and Ravatheshwara temple at Darasuram. These are referred to collectively as the Great Living Chol temples. Let us now explore the structure and architecture of this famous monument.